Okay, so on this video we're going to look at linking an existing Revit family to a Enscape asset. So you can see the Revit family in plan and the Enscape asset in 3D. So what I'm going to do is, you can see Enscape is open here on the left. And we have this sort of dining room table and this sidebar. And these are both Revit families, right? So if I come in and pick this, actually that's a model group. Let me tab select in, and that's the table dining 01. It's not, it's just there sort of as a piece, as a placeholder. If you have an Enscape asset that you want to use, you can actually put a sort of dummy Revit family in there and then switch it out in 3D for an Enscape asset. So I'm just going to go to my Enscape here and open up my asset library, and we'll go look and substitute that table out. So if I go to the furniture here, give it a minute to load, and let's see, scroll down looking for a table, dining room table, Alright, so I just typed in table. It was taking it too long to load, and so I'm just going to use this table 18, right? And if you click on it, it'll let you place it in the plan, but what I really want to do is not place it, is I want to come down to this ... here, and if I click on that ... it'll link Revit family to asset. So if I click on that, it will then pull up the Revit families, and if I go to table, right, there's our table dining 01, and if I pick that and click OK, right, it'll think for a minute, and then you'll see it will replace that table dining 01 with that guy, right? So I don't know if they have a sideboard in here. Well, they do. Look at that. So let's say that we wanted to replace this sideboard with one of these other more modern sideboards, right? So I could do the same thing. Sideboard, link Revit family, go to sideboard, right? And I can't, you think that's a 60-inch or a 48-inch? Let's try the 48 and click OK and see if that does it. Yeah. So now you can see that it's updated that guy. I'll close this, but you can see that it's kept the Revit family, but just substituted it in Enscape for the Enscape asset. So that's one way also that you can use. You could put a Revit family in and then substitute an Enscape asset for it. What you guys are, or eventually what you will do, is start to build your own furniture, and then you can bring it in through Revit, which is what I would typically recommend, and bring it in through a Revit family. You can also bring it in through Enscape. You know, that's possible too, but it's a little bit more cumbersome. So all right, so there's that, and when we come back, we'll talk about custom families and getting them into Revit.